SelectPro Product Compare, the ideal solution for effortless product comparison. Enhancing the arrangement of products in your Shopify store can optimize the shopping experience and boost opportunities for upselling. With the SelectPro Product Comparison app, customers no longer need to toggle between multiple product pages to evaluate and compare feature differences. Navigate to the App section and click SelectPro Product Compare. In the app dashboard, click Create Template. Choose your preferred product type, and you also have the option to view the labeled products within each product type. Enter your preferred template name. To incorporate a feature list, choose from the array of available features. Additionally, personalize your list by assigning a custom front-end feature title to suit your specific requirements. You can also incorporate custom meta fields specifically to complement your website's needs. Access your templates directly from the app dashboard and effortlessly edit, duplicate or delete templates according to your preferences. Navigate to Customization to customize your comparison table effortlessly. Tailor your template design to seamlessly align with your store's aesthetic by editing it to your liking. Customize the template creatively by adjusting font types, button designs, imagery, and overall styling of the template. Navigate to the Compare button. You can customize the Comparison Fixed button and Comparison Float element to customize it to suit your store's unique design. Make all the customizations and click Save. You can also incorporate the Compare checkbox code in the product card for a floating label. Navigate to the Shopify store dashboard to set up the Compare button to the website. Navigate to App Embeds. To include the Add to Compare button, enable Compare Edition and click Save. Now enable the floating list option to enable the floating button across the website. To integrate the Compare button onto the product page, select the product option from the drop-down menu. Go to the sections on the left side menu and opt for Add Block. Then, from the App section, select the SelectPro Product Compare app. Drag and relocate the App Block section to position the Add to Compare button where you desire it on the product page. Now let's integrate the comparison table into your store. Select Default Pages from the drop-down menu. Click on Change to choose the desired page to integrate the app block. Click on the Add section to choose the Compare Table block from the list. Select Add to compare either from the category page or the product page to initiate the comparison of products within the same category. Then, click Compare to seamlessly view the side-by-side product comparison. Click Select Products to add more products to compare. To create more comparison templates, click Create Template. Input the template name, product type, and feature list according to your category. To incorporate a feature list, choose from the array of available features. You also have an option to incorporate custom meta fields specifically to complement your website's needs. To add the namespace and key, navigate to your product listing page and copy the required product meta fields. Add the copied product meta fields as the feature list and click Save. Go to the category page, select the products you want to compare, and then preview the changes made to the meta field feature.